fluffy pancakes. Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchens. For today's delicious first recipe I'm sharing with you guys. It's my all-time favorite pancakes recipe in the world. I mean fluffy pancakes. The pancake or hot cake is a kind of flatbread made with salt or sugar. I mean it can be salty or sweet. In this case I will make a pancake with sugar, so it will be very sweet. Also, it's a fact that it have an incredible flavor that you guys are going to love it. So let me show how I make this recipe. Firstly, you will need the next ingredients: 2 eggs, sugar, vanilla flavoring, 1 teaspoon of honey like this, water 1 cup, flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is the baking powder. And chocolate. You can use all kind of chocolate, but I prefer this chocolate Nutella because it's my favorite. But you can use a jam too, or any kind of sweet. This is your choice. Also, you will need a machine to measure the ingredients. A machine like this. This machine is made to measure the grams. For example, with the flour. In this case, I have 100 grams of flour. So this machine is very important in the recipe. So let me show how I make this recipe. Come on. Okay, firstly in a bowl we put 2 eggs, and we should add 50 grams of sugar. And we should make it. Okay, now I will mix the ingredients while I add the vanilla fluorescent. And we should mix the ingredients with the vanilla. Okay, now you should put 1 tablespoon of honey, like this way. And you should continue mix the ingredients. Perhaps you should put the 40 milliliters of water and continue mixing the ingredients. Okay, now add 100 grams of flavor. Be carefully and like this way. Okay, sorry, in this case we should use a sieve to mix the flour like this way. And we'll mix with the ingredients with a little hits. Next, we should put 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And we continue mix the ingredients. Then put the mixture in the pan. Make sure the mixture have the shape like a disc.
Yeah.
When the bubbles form, turn on the pancake. And continue with all the mixture. Okay, now put 2 tablespoons of chocolate on the mixture on the hot cake. Just only in the middle. Okay, put other disc. Like in this way. Finally, you can enjoy the floaty pancakes recipe. So thank you.